Good day, viewers. Walter here. Thought I'd do just a little bit of vlog tonight. Tonight's vlog is going to be a little different than normal. I uploaded a Rail Fan Remake video today, and the first comment by one of my viewers didn't sit well with me, so I went ahead and deleted it, and I'll explain more about what I'm talking about. I've been a YouTube creator for, Lord knows, I don't know, 15, 20 years. I haven't really got a count on it. It's been a long time. And my audience is not just under one topic. I began doing Rail Fan videos back. That was probably the most major topic I covered back when I first started broadcasting on YouTube. But I have various topics and playlists and things I make videos about, only one of which is Rail Fan. You got to take some things into consideration that maybe some of my viewers strictly watch Rail Fans, but I don't limit myself to that. I make bird videos for my bird watching audience. I tell stories for people that like to listen to my vlogs and listen to my stories. Stories are always true. I don't make up fiction. There's a lot of that AI fiction going on nowadays on the internet. I've been sitting here in the living room thinking about that comment. The viewer said, "Goodbye, Walter. I unsubscribed to you today. I am tired of your video remakes." Well, first of all, I didn't make you watch them. When I do a Rail Fan remake, I don't know if you've ever noticed, but I always re-edit them, change the music quite a bit, try to improve from my original video. Most of my remakes go back 15, 11, 12, 13 years ago. Because I've videoed a lot of trains that my viewers these days didn't get to see. It gives me a topic or something I can still reach out to my Rail Fan viewers and have a little bit of viewer coverage for them. I can sit here on my hind end and write my stories. I can sit in there at my desk and create videos. I'm not able to get out and Rail Fan as much as I used to. It doesn't stop me from being a Rail Fan, but don't expect me to be uploading new Rail Fan videos daily. First of all, I'm 78 years old. I don't get around that well anymore. The past few years have been quite dramatic on me physically. I've had several things go wrong with me, and I'm not complaining about them, but I'll list a few of them. I was diagnosed with a hyperthyroidism. As a result, they had to radiate my thyroid with radioactive iodine, and that made me be hypothyroid instead of hyper or hypo. Means your thyroid is not working anymore, and it creates all kind of physical problems. I'm not even going to list them, but there's quite a few, including my vision. It caused me to have strabismus. One eye points a little different than the other one, and it takes a whole lot of training just to be able to see and drive. I'm doing right well now as far as my strabismus, but I've had a lot of medical problems. A couple of years ago, I fell down and broke my hip. I stayed in rehab for a month over there before I could get up off the hospital bed and learn how to walk again. I still walk with a limp, and I will try to get out there and Rail Fan when I get a chance, but I haven't been able to get out and drive too much lately. I mean, I have been driving, but I haven't been able to go Rail Fanning. it's been, I don't know, several years back that I was diagnosed with congestive heart failure. So I take medications for that. Occasionally get a flare up with gout. It sounds like I'm a hypochondriac. But if you've ever experienced gout so bad that you can't walk, you'll go to the doctor for that. They put you on steroids and that takes some of the swelling out. But I got a pill I take called Avid. Take that twice a day and it keeps the gout under control. I don't really have any flare-ups, at least not for the last couple of years. But without that, I think I would be, my gout still bothers me, but it's not swelled up and hurting a whole lot. Other medical problems that have delayed me from getting out and making real active videos is here a month or two, well, it's been 4 or 5 months ago, I fell and tore my rotor cuff. I mean, I literally ripped it completely in two. I can still raise my arm, but there's no strength to it. And there's a dull ache just about 24 hours a day from that. But if you're one of my viewers, I don't expect you to watch all my videos. I'm happy if you just watch a few of them. If you're one of my birding video fans, you'll notice that I do those primarily in the spring and the summertime. Here in the wintertime, I'm pretty well cooped up in the house. Can't get out and do a whole lot. Occasionally do some video out in the garden or from the front porch. But I just wanted to point out to my viewers, I don't expect you to watch all my videos, but I'm very grateful when you watch any of them. And it's okay if you want to unsubscribe. It doesn't hurt my feelings. But try to be a little more understanding that I love to create videos for YouTube, and I think I do a remarkable job at it. It's a hobby that I enjoy doing. But don't expect me to always cover the same thing. One day I might be doing a vlog, just talking, or I might tell a story. And I imagine it has affected my viewership. I've got I haven't got the computer in front of me, 30-something thousand viewers. I've noticed some days it'll say -4 viewers, +2 viewers, -1 viewer, +3 viewers. But when you got 30,000 people subscribed to you, you got to figure some of them occasionally are going to thin out their subscriptions on their YouTube page and, go through and pick out Joe's. Well, I haven't watched Joe's video in a long time. I think I'll unsubscribe to it. So you can expect a lot of people will do that just to, cull out the ones they're not watching all the time. I subscribe to a great many of my viewers. I don't subscribe to everybody. Not everybody that are my viewers are creators for YouTube. A lot of my viewers are creators and we correspond regularly. So I enjoy talking to fellow creators. Anyway, I just wanted to get down here and vlog that Walter doing the best he can with his YouTube videos, and I'll continue to produce my videos whether you really want to see a Rail Fan video or not. I'd rather put something online for some of my viewers than sit here and put nothing online for none of my viewers. I'll get back out there on my gardening videos and stories, whatever, from time to time. But today's vlog is just to explain to my viewers, I'm happy when you do subscribe to my videos. I appreciate you tolerating whatever videos I do create. And some of my viewers are real loyal and comment on every video I make. And I love them for that. But Walter's not in the greatest health in the world. When you get 78 years old and you want to keep on going, you don't sit down and quit doing. It keeps my mind active. And it gives me something to do between doctor's visits and coming and going with the wife to town and the stores and what little bit of shopping we get done around here. I don't get out a lot, but I get out and go. Couple of pet peeves. I hate to go to Walmart because you'll walk yourself to death in there. So usually when I get in there, I'll try to find one of those carts which you ride around. I've got circulation problems in my legs. The veins, they're clogged up. They got me on cholesterol medicine for that. But after you walk maybe 100 yards, your leg starts hurting, especially in my right leg. The circulation's down in my right leg. I've got a heart doctor I go see, and they're checking this vein in my neck right here because it's completely clogged. And it's called a steel, some kind of steel. Let's see, subclavian steel. So when your heart is trying to pump blood to your brain, it can't get through there. So it goes through your left arm and the big main vein and comes to your brain through there. It reverses flow. Well, there's a surgery you can get done for that. At my age, they don't recommend I do it. So I'm just tolerating the subclavian steel. I'll go, I think the 30th this month, I go in and they do the ultrasound on my neck and throat and see if there's any changes in that. That might be one reason I occasionally get a headache or two. So today's just basically a medical update and explaining to my viewers about my video uploads, and ask for a little understanding that stop by and check. If you subscribe to me, stop in and check what I've uploaded that day. If it's a Rail Fan video and you're not a Rail Fan, it doesn't hurt my feelings that you don't watch them. But don't get all bent out of shape and unsubscribe, because if you're one of my bird fans, trust me, I'll be getting back into my bird videos. I do a lot of videos about working on the property in the summertime, cutting grass, riding my zero-turn mowers. I've done a lot of projects over the years, and I've got, you won't believe this, but I got well over 5,800 videos produced for YouTube. So when I go back 10, 12 years and find a Rail Fan video and show you, it's because I wanted to sit in there at my computer and upload another video that I didn't have. If you got no footage, you create one. I've learned a lot of this AI business, and I kind of enjoy messing with AI, artificial intelligence. You'll notice on today's video, I made the locomotive a fire-breathing beast of a train. So check it out if you haven't seen today's vlog. Anyway, I'm going to hush my mouth and quit moaning and groaning. But this, oh, by the way, I'm doing this vlog with a cell phone. I have never done that before. It's usually with a GoPro. So this video is produced with my cell phone. You can probably hear the dishwasher running out there in the background. I hope the noise ain't too bad. But I'm just sitting here streaming YouTube tonight and thought I'd stop and make this video. It'll probably be tomorrow sometime before I get it uploaded, because I want to edit it. Sometimes if I stutter or stammer, I'll edit out the sound where I don't sound half-assed, addle-brained. But for those viewers of mine who do subscribe and watch my videos, I thank you all, one and all. And I appreciate you. Anyway, this is Walter, aka Pwalpar, gonna end for today. I do hope everyone has a good weekend. Y'all take care.